Everyone thinks financial freedom takes $1 million. It doesn't. The real number is $500 a month. By the end of this video, you will see exactly why. Here is what you've been told your whole life. That to have financial freedom, you need to have a massive pile of money sitting somewhere. $1 million, $2 million sitting in the bank. So you take a look at your bank account and it feels impossible. So you quit before you even start. You quit because that seems impossible. But that is not what financial freedom is. Financial freedom is generating enough money in passive income to pay for your lifestyle. That's it. So if you need $4,000, $5,000 a month to live, then the magic number is $500 a month. Yes, $500 can do wonders. Watch this. If you invest $500 and get an average return of 8%, that will yield you almost $1 million in 30 years. So let's say you are 25 and you invest $500 a month for the next 30 years. Now you're 55, you have almost $1 million, and you can live up there comfortably at $4,000 or $5,000 a month and never have to work a single day again in your life. Someone that's a little bit older will have to invest a little bit more if their benchmark is that $3,000 or $4,000 a month to live. So it really depends on your age and how much you need for your lifestyle and your expenses. But in 30 years, if you invest $500 a month at 8%, you have reached financial freedom. This is somebody nobody's teaching. Important to know, and it's a motivation to keep you disciplined as you continue to put that money to the side to invest, because you want to reach financial freedom. You may say, well, I don't have $500 extra to do this. I don't have $500 to invest in myself so I can reach financial freedom. Don't say that. You have it. Okay, you just need to be disciplined. You need to be focused. You have that $500. Let me show you how. How many of us have useless subscriptions that we don't even use? Most of us do. If you have a subscription and you have not used it in over a month, cut it. Move that money to the side. That is an easy $100. Next, every time you get paid, you're paying all these bills. You're paying other people. You're buying useless things. Don't do that first. The first thing you should do when you get paid is pay yourself first. Take $250 out of your check and put that to the side. Add it to that $100. How much does that give you? That gives you $350. You got $150 to go. I'm gonna give you a couple of ideas, but this is where you get creative so that you can get that $150 that's left to make it to that $500, okay? So that $150, you can do things like go around your house and find things that you don't need and sell it, okay? Garage sale. You can do some side gigs. You can have some friends out and they'll compensate you. So you can easily use some creative ways to come up with that other $150 and add it to the $350. Now you have that $500 that you can invest in your own financial freedom on these subscriptions. So you may actually get more money out of your subscriptions. I went easy on you when I said all you need is $100 from your useless subscriptions. But the truth is, the average person spends $237 a month on subscriptions alone. So you could actually generate more money from your subscriptions. But we'll keep it at 100. And then you have that $250 that you're paying yourself first. Take those funds and put it in automatic transfer. Make it go without you having to do anything. Okay, let it be automatic. You won't miss it. You won't feel it because you don't see it. You see, there are two traps that kill this financial freedom. Trap number one, lifestyle. Most people do this and they don't even know it. What What do most people do the minute they get a raise? They go and buy something. So people are getting raises, upgrading their cars. The money's gone. Their money should have been invested towards your financial freedom. So now you know what to do. Second trap. You get a bonus and you buy things for your apartment, or you get a bigger apartment or a nicer apartment. Useless spending. Invest their money in your financial freedom. When you get a raise or you get a bonus, that is not a money that you should be spending if you want financial freedom. Invest their money. The next trap is this. Oh, I'll invest when I make more money. No, you won't. Or I invest next year. No, you won't. You have to do it now. And here's another trap. Waiting for the perfect time. Oh, I'll start when all my debt is gone. No, you won't. You have to do it now. There will never be a month where $500 is easy. The only difference between doing it now and doing it later is thousands of dollars that you'll be missing out on in investments. The math does not care about timing. Okay? $500 a month invested automatically. Start now. Now when you make more, do it now. Your future self will thank you for this. $500 isn't just money. It is buying something that no paycheck could ever give you. The ability to walk away. The ability to say no. The ability to not be trapped. This is financial freedom. And all it takes is $500. Comment your age below with exactly what $500 gets you when you're 55. If this hits you, subscribe, comment debt free, and I'll send you my debt elimination blueprint.